In this video, we are going to see how we can initiate the process of changing your age on TikTok. So basically, there isn't an option to change your age directly on TikTok. However, you can request the TikTok to do that for you. You can initiate that request. So what we need to do is just head over to the profile on the bottom right hand corner. And from here, we click on the three lines at the top, which is kind of hamburger sign. And from here, we head over to settings and privacy. Now we will scroll all the way down to this section which says support and about, and we click on help center and we click on report a problem. From here, we scroll down and click on need more help, and you can raise a support ticket. If you want to live chat with a person, you just write here live chat support, or you can click on submit a ticket so that their team will contact you. So you can write your issue, you can add a screenshot and then submit, and then just wait for them to respond, and hopefully you should be able to get your age changed within a few days. So you can mention that you have incorrectly entered your age. You can add a supporting document like an ID card or something, and you just let them decide. So that is how we can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.